Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ADATA XPG Battlecruiser 2 Super Mid-Tower PC case. So friend, XPG has launched the XPG Battlecruiser 2 Super Mid-Tower series to markets around the globe. And friend, this EATX case features a long list of improvements based on the feedback and friend it provides convenience in the building and maintenance process, delivering an improved PC DIY experience. And friend, the 4 glass panels. There are 3 easy to clean magnetic dust filters, an adjustable GPU holder, and an improved smart cable management design. It is everything you love about the original award-winning XPG Battlecruiser with updated touch. And friend, the most noticeable and most requested design change is the additional 65 in height compared to the previous generation to allow better spacing for 360 radiators on top, as well as increase airflow efficiency with up to 420 radiator compatibility in front. And the interior mechanical design was completely revised to facilitate tool-less assembly for convenient, uncompromised PC building experience. Furthermore, I/O panel include USB Type-C port that has been updated to route to the motherboards via Type-E internal connector capable of both Gen 2 into 1 and Gen 2 into 2 speed based on the user's motherboard capabilities instead of the previous generation IDC 20-pin glue connectors. And friend, the included GPU holder allows you to adjust the height from 52 to 134 to support countless GPU models and orientation, and the cable management hub provides plenty of space for all your cables, and the additional PSC shroud help hide from the judgmental eyes, and the XVG Prime box allow you to customize lighting and thermal management for all compatible devices, and the included 4 RGB Vanto fans. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.